Good morning, everyone. Today we have Mr. Amit Mittal with us from Top Guard, and we will like to ask him few questions about their new products, face shields.
थैंक यू मुकेश जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ आज यहाँ आकर और आपने मुझे मौका दिया टू इंट्रोड्यूस माय न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स.
Okay, let's start from here. We should not waste time. Tell me, what is face shield?
फेस शील्ड, आपको पता है वर्ल्ड इज लॉकडाउन बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना वायरस. वी हैव कम अप विद अ काइंड ऑफ splash protection device called as face shield. This is a high clear, ultra clear film of 200 microns and protected with surface protection film on both the sides, and it is very easy and simple to wear. This is all about face shield.
Okay. Please tell us something about you and your company.
Okay, मेरा नाम अमित मित्तल है और हम लोग for last 6 years in the business of flexible packaging. हम लोग surface protection film बनाते हैं और because we have that experience, so we developed this product.
Okay, nice. So this face shield is meant only for the medical workers, or a normal civilian can also use it?
It is meant for everyone who is crossing the Lakshman Rekha.
What do you mean by Lakshman Rekha here?
मोदी जी ने कहा कि आपके घर से बाहर अगर आप निकल रहे हैं तो वो आपका घर का गेट आपकी लक्ष्मण रेखा है. और चाहे आप पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ हैं, चाहे आप वर्कर हैं, चाहे आप बिजनेस ऑनर हैं, चाहे आप कोई भी हैं, अगर आप अपने घर से बाहर निकल रहे हैं तो आपको फेस शील्ड लगानी चाहिए.
And what precautions do you use while manufacturing this, and while storing this, and while distributing this?
We use I come up with manufacturing process first. So all my people who are coming to manufacture this, they are first of all we have maintained the protocol in the factory, like hand wash daily. We are noting their body temperatures. Anybody cough, sneezing, not allowed in the factory. They are wearing masks, they are wearing face shields, they are wearing hand gloves. Only then they are touching any material to manufacture this. This is totally handmade. No machines are involved, and like we are maintaining each and everything as it is a green room project.
Okay. And can it be reused or sanitized or disinfected?
If you are a civilian, it is reusable. If you are somewhere in paramedicals or in isolations or in any medical staff, I suggest you should use it every time you change your PP kit, change it.
Okay. And what is the production capacity for this?
We are manufacturing 10 to 12,000 pieces a day.
That's nice. And from where can we buy this? Like, suppose normally I have not seen it in the general market.
In the video, I will give you a customer care number. You can contact them directly, and also I will provide you one link where you can just put down your number and requirement. Our people will connect with you.
Do you have any safety certificates for this? Like, how do you trust it?
First of all, at this time, this is not anything which you are taking inside. It's a surgical thing. So there are not much of certificates for these kind of things. For medicines or any liquid thing, there are more. Our product is CE certified, which shows that it is safe to use. That's all we have.
Okay, that's nice. Thanks connecting with us. It's Mukesh Mittal from
Pleasure
UK.
here, pleasure here. You can, for order, you can just contact 98100 78425 anytime. Thank you.
Thank you.